I've always been worried about money. I've always been nervous about investments. I can't start a new business. I can't even think of how people buy such expensive things. The amount of money that that actor spent on his car is equivalent to the entire money I'll earn in a lifetime. If these are the thoughts that keep going on in your head, if you talk about these or not, but if you keep wondering about how do people spend so much money, how exactly is it that people have so much money, and how can you make that amount of money without blocking that money, having the negative mind frame, or any of those things? You're at the right place, because in today's video I'm going to talk to you about such a simple fundamental concept that if you identify it, it could literally change your life. And I don't mean this in a metaphorical way, I literally mean it in the correct sense of the word. It'll literally change your life. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated to your financial freedom. I make 10 videos a month where I talk to you about how do you improve and strengthen your money mindset, how do you grow your money, how do you invest your money, how can you actually change your money mindset in such a way that you start attracting more wealth, improve your relationship with money. You know what? There's not a single day that goes by without you dealing with money. And I want to have an impact in your life wherein I help you make every transaction that you deal with money a happy one. So if that sounds exciting, if that sounds interesting, if that sounds like a life that you want to live, subscribe to the channel, connect with me, and let's continue this conversation where I'll talk to you about how exactly can you improve your money mindset quickly. Let me just tell you a very simple fact. The whole concept of a negative money mindset and a positive money mindset, the primary difference or the primary thing that will connect you from point A to point B is awareness. The moment you understand how something is impacting and affecting your life tremendously, it's going to be very easy for you to start looking at the other aspect. Let me explain to you in a very simple example. I light a matchstick and I hold it in front of you, and now I tell you, you know what, please put your finger on this burning matchstick. Will you be able to? No, obviously not, because you know how fire can literally burn your fingers and you don't want to have that experience and you don't want to put yourself through that misery, for that lack of a better word. Literally, you are walking on eggshells, you're walking on broken glass with so many things that are stopping your money mindset positively. The whole concept of money mindset is, if you find a problem, if you identify it correctly, if you see the impact that it's happening, that it's taking in your life, you would just refuse to walk a further step in that direction. It's as simple as that. So yes, can you start improving and strengthening your money mindset soon? Most definitely. The difference is how much time do you take to get there? How much time do you take to identify what exactly is the core issue which is stopping you from growing your wealth, which is stopping you from changing your attitude about money? So all what you need to do is you need to spend more time around people, around communities, read more books, watch more videos like these which make you think about your money mindset, make you identify what exactly is stopping your growth, help you identify your money blocks. Yes, that's something that's a genuine term. People have money blocks. People do not even realize that they are blocking money in their own life. So imagine the moment you remove that block, the amount of wealth that you can welcome in your life. If that sounds exciting, please make sure that you start working towards your money mindset and do it on ASAP basis. What can you do? What can I offer to you? Please take a moment, subscribe to this channel. If you've liked this video, do not forget to like and share it with other people so that more and more people can get to know about these concepts, because we are really growing at a massive pace. People are getting better jobs, people are getting better salaries nowadays. and yet people are not happy about their money. I find it extremely difficult to see people not being happy about the financial situation, and I want to do my bit to help them, and I want you to help me to help them. Also, I offer you to join my Facebook group. It's a community of over 1500 people. I interact there on regular basis. I do a lot of Facebook lives over there. Help me spread the word about that Facebook group. Let's all build one of the strongest communities in the world where everybody is positive about money, everybody has a positive money mindset, and let's spread this word. I hope this video has added some value and given you something to think about. If you have any questions, please do not forget to mention them in the comments below. I do keep reading all the comments and I interact and respond to as many comments as possible. Do not forget to join the Facebook group. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and do not forget to stay happy. Kaching!